let's take a look at how to share access to a Google Business profile. Now, first things first, you need to make sure you actually have access to the profile that you're wanting to share access to. So to do that, you just come to Google, do a search for your business name. You should see this pop up right here. It's like this panel where it says only managers of this profile can see this. And this is now how we manage a Google Business profile right on Google. There used to be a separate website and app and everything, but they've done away with that. And now they're just doing it directly through Google here. It should also mention the same thing here. If you don't see that it's saying, hey, you manage this business profile, you might need to just go up into the top right corner up here and select a different email. So I'm logged into the email that has access to this business profile. You can just click on the button in the top right, choose the correct email, and then you should see it pop up like this with this panel where it says you're a manager. From here, it's a little bit hidden, but right next to the complete info and the profile strength, it has these 3 dots right here. If you click on that, it's going to have this drop down. From the drop down, if you click on the first option, business profile settings, then we will see another selector here. It's basically just this first one right here, people and access. If we click on that, it's going to pop open where we can see I'm the owner here, primary owner of this listing, and then there's a little plus button right here next to a person icon, and it says add. And then it says you can add, edit, or remove people's access to this business profile. So if I wanted to remove somebody, I can just click on that person and go remove them. Or just by clicking on this add button right here, I can go ahead and add somebody to this business profile. All right, so now it is giving us the option to add somebody in here. So we can put in an email address, john@example.com, or obviously that's not going to be a real email address. When you type it in, it's going to have a pop-up here. You want to make sure you're selecting that pop-up. And then it's going to say, select what role you'd like to grant this person to manage the business profile on search and maps. You can change this at any time. Manager usually is sufficient if somebody's going to be managing and helping out with search engine optimization, also known as SEO. If they're going to be helping you optimize your business profile, that usually works. If you're trying to share it with like your business partner or something and you want to both have ownership, you should go ahead and select owner here. These are really the only 2 options. So manager is going to be usually somebody outside of your organization, somebody just trying to manage the listing, and then owner is typically going to be somebody within your organization. So a business partner, a chief marketing officer, things of that nature. Once you've selected the correct option here, you just click invite, and then it's going to send them an email from Google saying, hey, you've been invited to access this profile. Once they accept it, then they will be able to access the business profile and do whatever they need to do from there. So it's a pretty straightforward process. If there was anything that you had questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries. And you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.